Warm welcome to everyone on my channel. In today's video, the thing that I'm going to tell you, it will not only gonna improve your English, but in this video, you are going to learn a lot and a lot. Means I can't expect that how much thing you can learn if you watch this video at the end. Because the thing that I'm going to tell you, this is the fact of the life. Whether you will accept it or not, it does not matter. But yeah, this is the fact of the life that I'm going to tell you. So, if you want to improve your English, you should watch this video, as well as if you are getting a lot of problem in your life, then you also watch this video at the end. So before any further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, before starting the video, I would like to tell you that what I'm going to do in this video. So today I will not gonna provide you any trick and tip to learn English, but something I just wanna tell. I have come here to tell you something which is very important, and I think according to me it is really essential to understand. And if you understand this thing, you will never fail in your life. Whatever you are doing and whatever you are thinking to do, you will definitely gonna get a result in that. See, today I'm going to tell you three fact of the God. And if you have any sign in these three fact, it means God is trying to protect you, God is trying to advise you. So before starting the video, I would like to start my video with one story. And this story I want to tell you in Hindi so that everyone can understand it. So ये कहानी आप अपने बचपन में सुने होंगे कि क्या होता है कि एक राजा था और वो शिकार करने निकला। तो क्या हुआ कि शिकार करते समय उसके ही तलवार से उसका पैर का जो अंगूठा होता है वो कट जाता है। तो उसके साथ उसका मंत्री भी था जो कि बहुत ही विजडम था, एंड उसने उन्हें एडवाइस दिया कि चिंता की कोई बात नहीं राजा जी, जो भी होता है अच्छा के लिए होता है। राजा हो गए बहुत ही गुस्सा, बोले कि मेरा यहाँ पर नाखून कट गया है और तुम बोल रहे हो कि जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है। इसीलिए उस एडवाइस से वो नाराज होकर उसे कैद कर देते हैं। देन आफ्टर सम डे वो अगेन जाते हैं शिकार पर। तो कुछ आदिवासी का जो झुंड होता है उन्हें कैद कर लेता है और उन्हें बलि चढ़ाना चाहते थे, इसीलिए उन्हें कैद कर लिए। बट बलि चढ़ाने के पहले जो कुछ रिचुअल करते हैं वो किए। तो उन समूहों में से एक व्यक्ति बोला कि महाराज इसका हम बलि नहीं दे सकते, इस व्यक्ति का हम बलि नहीं दे सकते क्योंकि इसका एक पैर का अंगूठा नहीं है, इसका एक पैर का अंगूठा नहीं है। और उन्हें वो खोज रहे थे वैसे व्यक्ति जो पूरा उसका शरीर कंप्लीट हो। तो इसीलिए उसे वो लोग छोड़ दिए, राजा को वो लोग छोड़ दिए। सो द मोरल ऑफ दिस स्टोरी इज दैट like sometime what happens to protect us from big problem, God provides small problem in our life. So you have to understand that why this problem is actually coming in your life. You are learning English, you are also even facing problems, so you are not thinking that what should be the solution of this problem. You like directly go to the give up. So no, you have to not like you have to not take every situation like this. Somewhere somehow we have connected with the God, and like we are the daughter and son of the God, so God is trying to support you. So you have to understand it. Now, I am going to tell you three facts, and if you have any sign from this fact, it means God is trying to protect you. So, like, first one is unexpected people left your life. It means what happens sometime, like what happened, like automatically some our relative, friends, and some closer familiar person left our life. So at the time, how do we feel? So embarrassed, melancholy, sorrowful, and without understanding. We just start asking question to the God that why are you giving me such life, why this person has left my life. See, like when God understand that the work of this person has completed in your life, he will gonna create some situation so that that person can left from your life, detach from you. Otherwise automatically he will lift you, because like maybe he could also even hurt you in the future. That is why God actually, before that, God try to protect you. But we don't understand, we start blaming God, we started asking question to the God that why this person has left my life. I could not live without her, without him. See, I just want to tell you that I had one friend, and at the time I was so small. So we had one profound relation. Okay, so she unexpectedly she left my life without informing me, and I went in such situation, means I could not live without her, means like whole day I used to weep, I could not even focus on the study for like 5 to 6 days. But after that I realized that no, it was good, because God is trying to protect you. Sign number two, that same problem is happening again and again. Yes, what does mean? Let me tell you. If you are getting same problem again and again, it means God is trying to say you that you should change yourself. Somewhere you are doing wrong, and it means that somewhere you are doing wrong mistake and you need improvement. And maybe if you are getting same problem again and again, this could be also this sign that you need more faith in the God. Yes. So in such situation, what you can do, meditate as much as you can, and try to reach to the God, and ask this question to the God that where I need improvement, what should I do? Yes, what should I do, how I can overcome out from this problem. Yes. And I just want to tell you that it happens in reality. Earlier I was also not believing that God even exists on the earth. But I want to tell you one story of my life. At the time, I was in 7th standard, and I was coming from my school. So I met with one woman, old lady. She does Shiv Charcha. Shiv Charcha means like Bhagwan Mahadev ka puja. So she asked me that, do you believe in Mahadev ji? So I told, no, I don't believe, I don't do such kind of thing. So she told me, she gave me even advice that you should start believing on the God. If you start believing in the God, God will support you. And he gave me one, something, and something was written on that. So I took that. And after that, I came home, and after doing a study, I started reading. Then what happened, suddenly my sir, he used to give me advice that like start believing in God, it will help you. Then I thought that let me start. So before going to bed after doing a study, I started praying Mahadevji. And right now, I feel that someone is trying to protect me. Some, like, when do I do something bad? So someone is trying to advise me that no, this is not good for you. Actually, you need improvement here. And it happens actually in the life. It happens in the reality as well. So, if you just want to do something wonderful and best in your life, so start believing in the God. And if you are getting such kind of sign, so start change and keep learning, keep trying. And if you just have these two sign, and so improve yourself. If you improve yourself, I want to tell you, literally you are going to get a result that you can't expect from you. If you are learning English, if you are just like not understanding anything, if you are not improving, so try, think that where I need improvement, what should I actually do for it. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. I will be keep uploading such type of knowledgeable and informative video for you, so that you can do something wonderful and best in your life. Thanks for watching. कोशिश ऐसा करो कि हारते हारते जीत हो जाए और किसी को पता भी ना चले. Warm welcome to everyone on my YouTube channel, How to Speak in English Language, and this is me, Rupa. I am going to talk about women, because one day I am also going to become a woman. So the problems, the difficulties that women are facing, I want to let them remind that this is not your life actually. You are thinking that my neighbor, she is facing this problem. Her life has become worst ruin and she is in dilemma. So my life will be also like that. No. Never compare yourself to anyone. First of all, never say that I am woman, and never say that because of the woman I cannot do anything. See, government is also supporting you. Government is also giving you so many restriction in each and every field, so that you can show your talent, so that you can also become independent, so that you can also prove that no, I am not small, I am big, I'm not weak, I'm strong. And you are woman, you are not weak, you are powerful. You are not you are not for doing only chores work. You are also for your desire. You should not tolerate each and everyone. You should not endure everyone. You have not taken birth to listen everyone. If you are wrong, then you should listen, but if you are correct, don't listen and do violent. Because Gandhi ji, he told that non-violent, but people can't understand from non-violence. They need violence. They need violence. You will have to fight. You will have to fight for your dream, for your ambition. Because I have seen in this era, in 2025, still some women have not gotten freedom. When do they go outside? Their mother-in-law, see, teach her that you should not,